Let's level up your presentations with this Canva animation. Open up a fresh page. Go to Elements and type in Skyline Outline. We will choose this one. Adjust it to the page. Duplicate the slide and go up to Edit Photo, and let's remove the background. If you do not have Canva Pro, there is a site where you can remove backgrounds for free. You can find the link in the description. Let's add another page and go to the text. We will type in "Never give up." Adjust the size and the font. Change the background to black and the font to white. We will download this and click the option for a transparent background. Upload it back into Canva. Insert into the first slide and adjust the placement. Now let's copy the slide that had the background removed. Paste it onto the first slide. Duplicate the slide, click the second slide and go up to Position. Click the one that has the text on it. When you click it, that particular element will be highlighted, making it easier for you to edit it. Bring up the text to the top of the slide. Now go to the Transition tab and click it. Choose the Match and Move option. Adjust the duration. Remember to adjust the duration of the first clip so that it doesn't take too long. And here it is. If you liked this, please do like, share, and subscribe to learn more animation tricks to make your presentations and projects stand out. Thank you for watching.